Y'all, my wigs are taking over my life. I don't even have dresser space anymore. Let me show y'all what's happening. Yes, this is what I'm currently dealing with. It is so cluttered. I don't have any dresser space to put anything else up there. I need some organization. I have to get my wigs together. Thankfully, my girl Alicia at Luxe The Salon has the perfect solution, and she is about to bring some order into my home. Let's unbox this little package we got today. If you're like me and you got more wigs than space, you like to switch your wig up every day of the week, then this is gonna be the perfect option for you. I don't have that much space in my home to just have wig heads posted up all over the place. And Alicia is about to revolutionize the game. Alicia at Luxe The Salon. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh my goodness. Luxe, oh wow. Oh wow, you guys. Oh wow, I love this. Okay, so as you can see, there is a zipper here at the bottom. So we're gonna put my wigs in these bags, zip them up, and here's the best part. It also comes with this cute little hanger. All you have to do, there is a hole at the top of the bag, and all we're gonna do is we're gonna stick the hanger in the bag before we zip it up, and then the hanger is gonna come out the top. So easy, so convenient, and I'm gonna be able to completely declutter my dresser. I need some order. Look at this. And we'll have my wigs nicely in this bag, and then I can just hang them up. If you have like a cute little rack in your room, or you can just hang them in the closet. Girl, it's gonna be just like finding your outfit of the day. Which wig am I today? This is a game changer. Now that we've done that part, all I've got to do is stick my wigs in here and zip them up. Y'all, I am so excited to have my dresser space back. Look at this. Just look at this. It's sleek. It's gonna fit right into my closet. Just hang it up. I am elated. I'm elated. If you're like me and having clutter everywhere just makes you feel anxious and you feel like you can't get anything done, it's hard to work in an environment when there's clutter everywhere. And so many of us are working from home right now, so we need to have this space. And just like that, my wigs perfectly hanging in my closet with my clothes. And let me show you the best part. I have my dresser space back and I couldn't be happier. If you guys need to declutter y'all wigs and you're just looking for some organization and order in your home, then you have to get these wig bags. I'm gonna put the website somewhere on the screen, probably right here. Run. Don't walk, run to buy these wig bags. You will not regret it. Until next time, bye y'all.